No, it's just the water line, I guess. Is that amazing? Guy got the plow too deep into the yard, I guess. It's the most amazing thing you've ever seen on a snow day, isn't it? Yeah. Abso-freaking-lutely incredible. I don't get it. Listen to that. I don't get it how it happened. I don't get it. Oh. All that water?